Breville BES870XL Barista Express. If you're looking for something more professional or want to impress your friends and family with a professional barista setup at home, this is the right model for you. Hands down, this is the best Breville latte maker available right now, and it has the right price tag to come with. Breville BES870XL Barista Express gives you full control over any espresso or latte you brew. There's no doubt that you can craft beautiful works of latte art. But first, you have to get all the controls right. This model isn't automatic, so there's quite a bit of work associated with brewing a latte. But they try to make it easy with all the buttons and knobs right up front and clearly labeled. There's also a built-in grinder, which is really the secret to making the perfect latte. Fresh ground coffee beans will have you making lattes that are incomparable to fancy cafe drinks. This unit holds about 2 liters of water at a time, so you won't be constantly refilling it. Finally, the water filtering system is outstanding. It removes many unwanted impurities, so there's no bad taste in your coffee. If you can afford it, this is the best latte machine for home use.